Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video, it's a remake and it's late. So I do apologize for that and to the company. So I had worked with PandaHall Selected and chosen some products to work with. That I can link the original video in the description where I showed the beads and this jewelry set. I had made this video and I thought it was uploaded and on there already, and I was just now going through notes of videos and things and realized that it wasn't there, so I do apologize for that. So this was the kit. It came in this little plastic container and it's for jewelry, a jewelry kit. So you got the silver, gold, red, and green bells, the gold beads, these adorable Christmas charms, jump rings, yeah, in both colors, and then also these little rings. They're made for, or they're meant for wine glass charms. So yeah, silver and gold, and then the silver and gold there. Obviously, I've got some in here and a couple of pearls, because I did create a dangle out of these, and I wanted to share that as my project. And I am aware that it's past Christmas. Like I said, this video was meant to have been uploaded before. I didn't realize that it wasn't there and that my footage was gone. So, I will show it again. So, I created this little dangle. And I really like how it came out. I used some chain and a clasp that I had, already in my stash. But you can see here, there's the red bell, a gold bell, and you can see those are the small beads. Here, I had this one, and I thought it was really a festive little bead, to use for Christmas time. So I did some of those small green pearls. Here they are. There, on the ends. And then that was the bead I had, and I used the red with it. And again, I just made little dangles, and there's one of the charms, a snowman. And then there's a mitten. So yeah, I made this little dangle here. And I thought that was super adorable, because this kit is for, wine glass charms, which you can make. And I do know someone who's into wine and has, the glasses and all. So I do plan to make actual wine glass charms out of these. But I thought it would be fun to also show that you can make other things with it. So these are the little hooks. You would put, make your beads and your dangles, and then you would hang them on there and put them around the wine glass stem like that. So yeah, like I said, I do apologize that this video is as late as it is, but I said I would do this, so I wanted to make sure that I did complete and do what I said I would do. So yeah, this is a very neat little kit here. Has everything you need and comes in this box to store it all in, and it is great. I will have it linked in the description for you guys to check it out, and I will link my other videos as well. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.